very much.
While the presentation will be going on, anybody who just feels like slipping off and start doing some things, just please feel free to ask anybody from the staff or anybody from the officer.
Thank you.
Thank you, Andrea. Manel, naragsak na labi kayo. That is also Spanish language. Either I want to praise code. Ngayon magkarabi tayo. Lapsat.